Hi guys, how are you all today morning? Good morning. Today is 30th April 2022. My name is TSV Raghavan and I am a published author with Amazon Kindle and paperback. I write on fiction, spiritualism, and assorted subjects. I live in Chennai, Tamil Nadu, India. As you know, my most important interest is in spiritualism and meditation, and hence I keep gleaning information through my meditation, contemplation, and by drawing into my subconscious and superconscious memories. Today I have come up with some information that I would like to share with you. First, we all know through Srimad Bhagavad Gita that there are three modes of material nature, that is, goodness, passion, and ignorance, and all three exist in every human being. Above goodness, it is renunciance and spiritualism, and below ignorance, it is devilish and demonic. All these are present in every living entity. Now, according to my what I have learned from my meditation and contemplation, these three modes of material nature are directly connected to this society. How? I would like to tell you. Emancipators, social workers, statesmen, noblemen, all these belong to the goodness mode. As for example, Mahatma Gandhi, Martin Luther King, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, etc. All these people belong to goodness mode because they think about the welfare of the society at large. Jesus Christ, Prophet Muhammad also belong to a higher level of goodness mode. Now, soldiers, lawmen, lawyers, judges, and cops, etc., are people who are in the passion mode, which requires courage, determination, industry, and trying to rule the society, etc. So these people belong to the passion mode. Then politicians generally belong to the ignorance mode because they are usually interested more in their own aims and ambitions than in the welfare of the society. Gangsters, on the other hand, are demonic and renunciants, monks, sannyasis, etc., who are not at all interested in all these, are in the goodness mode. This we should remember before trying to differentiate between these terms and these professions. Second, the climate of a place is dependent on a five-letter word called lands. LANDS. L means latitude, that is, the place belongs to which latitude. Second, A, altitude. This place is situated at what altitude from the sea level. This is very important to judge the climate of this place. Latitude, Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, Equator, and other latitudes judge how the sunlight in what angle, at what time, and for how long it falls on that land. Depending upon that, the place becomes temperate, Mediterranean, subtropical, tropical, and equatorial. Similarly, altitude. As the place is situated in a particular altitude, its climate varies. For example, those in the tropical plains are warm. In the equatorial plains, they are rainy. In the high altitudes, they are cold. That is the other factor that judges of a particular place. Third, nearness to the sea. As near as a place is to the sea, its climate or weather will vary accordingly because of the climatic changes in the sea, the currents, the waves, the air, etc. There are many cases where Mumbai are situated near the sea, and so they receive a lot of rainfall also. Similarly, as the place is more landlocked and it is very, very far away from the sea, it becomes very hot or very cold or very rainy depending upon the circumstances. Third, distance from the mountains. If the place is situated at a place which is distant from the mountain, the climate will vary accordingly because mountains are either very cold or very hot, and their climate and their radiation decides about the weather or climate of a place. Aravali, Satpura, etc. are very hot hills, and as a result of which places like Wardha, Vidarbha, Nagpur, etc. are very, very hot or quite cold in the winters because rock becomes very hot or very cold depending upon the weather. Similarly, soil. Soil decides the climate of a place. If the soil is a desert, that place will be either very hot or very cold. It will be very hot in the day and very cold at night. Black soil in Gujarat and Maharashtra grows some important things we do not grow in other places. This is also a very important factor that decides the climate or otherwise of a particular place. Kindly let me know what you think of my talk on these two subjects. If you sincerely feel that I am talking sense, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that I can keep reminding you of my other videos. Till we meet next time in my next video, it is good day from TSV Raghavan.